Hello everyone, in today's lesson we'll be learning the piano accompaniment of Mariah Carey's We Belong Together. For reference, here is middle C. Our tutorial will be in the original key of C major. Let's start with the intro. On our right hand, we start by playing A, B, C, D, followed by F major 7, F, A, C, E, F major 7. Instead of playing solid chords, roll your keys from bottom to the top, followed by C and then A and then F major 7 again. Keeping the same finger shape, we move our hand down to play the E minor 7 chord. That's E, G, B, and D. Like before, we roll our fingers from bottom to top. Next we play B followed by G, E minor 7 chord again. We have D minor 7. That's D, F, A, and C. D minor 7 followed by A, F, C, and F. Let's try that again. For each chord, make sure you roll your fingers from the bottom to top. For the left hand, we have A, B, C, followed by F and C played together, E and B played together, D and A played together, followed by F octaves. Now with both hands together, we'll play that again, this time faster. Now we'll cover the chord pattern that is used in most of the song. First chord is F major 7, which we had learned before. On the left, we have F. On the right, we have F, A, C, and E. F major 7. The next chord is G major. On the left, we have G. On the right, we have G, B, and D, G major. The next chord is E minor 7. On the left we have E, on the right we have E, G, B, and D, E minor 7. Our final chord is F major. On the left we have F, on the right we have F, A, and C, F major. Again, our chord pattern is F major 7, G major, E minor 7, and F major with timing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the left hand, you can use octaves to make the chords sound fuller. You can also play one octave lower to give it a deeper sound. This one single chord pattern is repeated for the rest of the song, which makes this song perfect for beginners.